Perfect. Alrighty, let me get up there. All right, we want that passenger tire right here on this ramp. A little bit more, driver. There you go, that's it right there. Nice and slow, just like that. That's perfect right there. Hang tight and I'll spot you. Let's get that passenger tire right here. Perfect, gonna feel a big ledge. There you go. Now with the back tire, perfect. That's the speed right there. You can go and just square those up, drive right up over those two. What do you think, boys? Is this fun?
You like it? Yeah.
All right, hang tight. Let me jump in front of you here real quick. You're on the perfect line. There's a rock here. Go ahead and drive right over it. Drive right over that one and that one. Perfect. And then right up this one as well. That was smooth. Really well done.